Dear student, yesterday we discussed about exercise number, it is 10.1. Now the remaining of the sum, the exercise number 10.1 that we will discuss later. Now move to the next exercise number 10.2, and based on it is 10.2, we have some of the important derivatives. First one, the functions and derivatives. The function, it is k is called constant term. If the k is differentiate with respect to x, the constant term differentiate with respect to x, the constant becomes 0. K is a constant, the constant term k differentiate with respect to x, the constant k, the derivative becomes 0. K into any function, k into f of x, and differentiate the d by dx of k into f of x, the derivative becomes, the k is a coefficient term, keep outside, and differentiation with respect to it is x, as function it is fx. Therefore, the derivative as k into d by dx of f of x. Next, the function is called, it is x power n. The corresponding derivative d by dx of x power n, the derivative equal to n into x power n minus it is 1. X power it is n. For example, we can have the function it is y is equal to x power it is 5. Differentiate with respect to x, it is dy by it is dx. That function is defined by it is y, therefore it is dy by dx, it is equal to differentiate x power it is 5. By using of this, it is formula n into x power it is n minus 1. Here n is called it is 5. Therefore 5 into x power it is 5 minus it is 1. That is equal to 5 into x power it is 4. By applying of it is this derivative, and we applying x power n, it derivative equal to n into x power it is n minus it is 1. Then the function is called log x, the derivative equal to d by dx of log x, derivative equal to 1 by x. Differentiate log x, that is equal to 1 by x. Differentiation of log x equal to 1 by x. And a power x, differentiation of it is a power x. Differentiation of a power x defined by d by dx of it is a power x equal to a power x into log a. The differentiation of a power x equal to a power x into log a. The differentiation of it is e power x. The function is called e power x. Differentiation of it is e power becomes same, it is e power it is x. The function is called e power x. The derivative of e power x, the derivative is differentiation becomes same, it is e power x. The function is called sin x. Sin x, differentiation of it is sin x become cos x. Differentiation of it is sin become cos x. The function is called cos x. Differentiation of cos become minus sin. The differentiation of cos become minus it is sin. Next function defined by it is tan x. Tan x, the derivative of it is tan x become it is secant square it is x. Differentiation of the function tan x become secant square it is x. Secant x derivative equal to secant x into tan x. The differentiation of it is secant x becomes secant x into tan x. Cosecant x, next function, differentiation of cosecant become minus it is cosecant x into cot x. Differentiation of it is cosecant become minus cosecant x into cot x. Cot x, differentiation of cot x become minus cosecant square x. Differentiation of cot x become minus cosecant square x. Inverse function sin inverse of x, the differentiation of sin inverse of x become 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. The derivative of the differentiation of it is sin inverse of x in inverse function 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Cos inverse of x equal to, the differentiation of cos inverse of x equal to minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. It is both are it is opposite sign. It is plus, it is minus. Tan inverse of x, that is equal to, the derivative of it is tan inverse of x equal to 1 by 1 plus it is x square. The derivative of tan inverse of x equal to 1 by 1 plus it is x square. Then the function is called cot inverse of x. The derivative dy by dx of cot inverse of x equal to minus 1 by 1 plus it is x square. The next 17. The function secant inverse of x, the derivative of it is secant inverse of d by dx of secant inverse of x, that is equal to 1 by x into square root of x square minus it is 1. The derivative of secant inverse of x equal to 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1. Cosecant inverse of x, derivative equal to minus 1 by it is x into square root of x square minus 1, both are opposite sign. secant square it is x and cosecant square it is cosecant inverse of x. Then it is a summation rule. The two function u and v and sum rule u plus it is v. The sum of the function derivative equal to d by dx of u plus v. First differentiate the function u and then plus it is, then differentiate the function is v. Therefore, d by dx of u plus v can different derivative equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Then it is a product rule, that is u into v. The product rule defined by u into v. Both are in the product form. Therefore, d by dx of uv is equal to, first keep the first term u as it is and then differentiate second term v as dv by dx. And keep first it is u term, that is as it is, and differentiate the second term it is v as a dv by dx, plus then keep the second term it is keep as it is and the first term differentiate with respect to x du by dx. Therefore, d by dx of uv is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. It is called, it is product rule, it is called uv differentiation. Then u by v is called quotient rule. U by v is called quotient rule. Differentiate with respect to x as u by v equal to, and denominator it is called, it is v square. The denominator is called v square. First keep it is v as it is. Differentiate numerator term it is du by dx minus, and keep the numerator term as it is. Differentiate denominator term it is dv by dx. The quotient rule d by dx of u by v equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by it is v square is called quotient rule. Then chain rule, the function is defined by y equal to f of u. Here u equal to g of x. The y function with respect to u function with respect to x. Therefore, the y function we can rewrite f of g of x. U is called what? It is g of x. Therefore, y equal to f of g of x. It is called composition of function. It is f naught g. We can write as f of g of x. Now differentiate this y function with respect to x dy by dx. Because y is called function, differentiate with respect to x, we can write dy by dx, that is equal to d by dx of the y is called f of g of x. Now differentiate this function and differentiate this function f dash of g of x, and differentiate this f of g of x function, its derivative become f dash of g of x. Again within the bracket we have function is called g of x. Again we want to differentiate, that is called into g dash of x. First we want to differentiate the function g of f of g of x and its derivative says f dash of g of x. Again within the bracket one more function g of x. Again we want to differentiate into g dash of x. That is a chain rule. That is a chain rule. Now using of this it is a differential derivatives. Now we can see some in the exercise 10.2. Dear student, based on that formula, just we have derived the sum. In the example number it is 10.7. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Differentiate the following function with respect to x. Now first one, y equal to x power it is 3 plus 5x square plus it is 3x plus 7. Now differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, left hand side y, differentiate with respect to x, we can write as dy by it is dx. The y function differentiate with respect to x, we can write dy by it is dx, that is equal to x power it is 3. By applying a what formula? It is d by it is dx of x power it is n, that is equal to n into x power it is n minus 1. Apply this derivative formula to differentiate it is x power 3. Here n value equal to 3. Therefore, 3 into x power it is 3 minus 1. Again plus 5 into, again it is x power n formula, n equal to 2 here. 2 into x power it is 2 minus it is 1. N into x power n minus it is 1. Plus it is 3 into differentiate with respect to x, it is 1. Differentiation of with x. The x differentiate with x, that is equal to 1. Constant become it is 0. Therefore, differentiation of with respect to x it is 1 and the constant term d by it is dx of it is 7. The constant term becomes 0 plus it is 0. Therefore, that is equal to 3 into x power it is 3 minus 1 equal to 2 plus 2 into it is 5 equal to it is 10. X power it is 2 minus 1 equal to 1 plus it is 3 and last term it is vanished. And therefore it is the derivative of the given it is y equal to 3x square plus 10x plus it is 3. And similarly the second one, differentiate with respect to x, the y become it is dy by it is dx, that is equal to differentiation of it is e power x, differentiation of it is e power x, that is equal to same it is e power x formula. Therefore e power x becomes same plus differentiation of sine d by it is dx of the differentiation of it is sine, it become it is cos it is x. Therefore sine become it is cos, therefore sine become it is cos it is x. Then constant becomes 0. Therefore it is e power it is x plus it is cos x is called the derivative of it is given it is y function. And then it is third one, again differentiate with respect to x, the y become it is dy by it is dx, that is equal to different 4 as constant term, and differentiation of cosecant. What is the formula for it is cosecant? D by it is dx of it is cosecant it is x, that is equal to minus cosecant it is x into it is cot it is x formula. Therefore minus cosecant it is x into it is cot x as formula. Then minus log x, differentiation of it is log x, and that is equal to 1 by x. Therefore it is log x equal to 1 by x minus 2 is coefficient term, and differentiation of e power becomes same it is e power x, same it is e power x. Now that is equal to, just multiply the term, minus 4 into cosecant x into it is cot x minus it is 1 by x minus 2 into e power it is x, and that is the derivative of it is given this expression. The next one, again differentiate with respect to x. Now before that, just we have to expand the a minus b whole square formula. X square minus it is 2 into x into 1 by it is x plus it is 1 by x it is whole square, that is equal to x square minus 2 or it is cancelled 2 plus it is 1 by it is x square. Again we can rewrite x square minus 2 plus it is 1 by x square as x power it is minus 2. So there is no formula for it is 1 by x there formula, just we have denominator term and transfer to numerator, we can rewrite 1 by x square as it is x power it is minus 2. Now using this it is y, just we have to applying of it is differentiation. Therefore it is dy by it is dx, that is equal to x power n formula, therefore n equal it is 2 into x power it is 2 minus it is 1, and minus the constant term it is 2 becomes 0, then plus x power n formula, n equal it is minus 2 into x power it is minus 2 minus 1, x power n that is equal to n into x power n minus it is 1. Now just simplify, it is 2 power it is 2 into x power it is 2 minus 1 is called 1, minus 0 is vanished, and minus 2 into x power it is minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, that is equal to 2x minus 2 by x power it is 3, that is the derivative of it is given in this function. Next fifth one, here it is y is a function x e power x log x, 3 terms are present. By applying of it is product rule, 3 terms are present, and y is equal to u v w, the 3 terms are present. Now differentiate with respect to x. What is the left hand side? dy by it is dx, that is equal to. Now first keep it is first 2 terms as it is, differentiate last term w. So u and v are it is as it is, and into dw by it is dx plus. Now first and last term keep as it is, and differentiate middle term it is v. Use as it is dv by it is dx plus it is into it is w, keep as it is. Then plus, and last 2 terms are keep as it is, differentiate first term du by it is dx into it is v into it is w. And this called 3 terms are it is present in the function. By applying of this product rule to differentiate the equation. Now same, what is it here? It is u and it is called v, it is called w. Therefore this given it is function, differentiate with respect to x, that is equal to x, and it is v or keep as it is. Last one we want to differentiate. Any one method. First you can differentiate u function, then keep the u and v and w as it is, and or it is first differentiate, it is second term, third term, you can shuffle any one method. Now first differentiate, first keep the first two term as it is, different last one. Therefore x as it is, e power it is x also as it is, differentiate last term d by x, dx of it is log it is x, then plus last term differentiate, next middle term differentiate. Therefore first term x as it is, d by it is dx of e power it is x into log x it is as it is, w is as it is, plus then last two term differentiate, keep as it is, first one differentiate. Therefore d by it is dx of it is x into second term e power it is as it is, then third term log x also it is as it is. Now differentiate, and that is equal to x e power it is x are same. Then differentiation of log x equal to 1 by x. Differential formula of log x equal to 1 by x plus, and then keep x's as it is. Differentiation of e power become same it is e power x. Differentiation of e power become same e power it is x into one more term is called it is log it is x plus differentiation of x. Differentiate x with respect to x it is 1. Therefore differentiation of x with respect to x it is 1 into e power it is x into it is log x or as it is. Now in this expression e power x, e power x, e power x, all the term are common. Therefore we can take e power x as commonly. Remaining xx or it is cancel. Remaining it is 1 plus it is x into log x, x into log x the second term, plus it is e power it is e power x out. Therefore remaining it is log x in the last term, and that is a final it is simplification. Okay, next subdivision number it is 6. What property we can use here? Y that is equal to, in the method of it is u by v. What is the method that is applied? dy by it is dx that is equal to d by it is dx of it is u by it is v. That is equal to, what is formula for it is quotient property? It is u by v. Differentiation it is v square in the denominator. Keep it is v as it is. Differentiate du by dx minus, keep it is u as it is. Differentiate dv by dx. By applying of it is quotient it is rule. Now in this problem we are applying a quotient rule and differentiate with respect to x. What is the left hand side? dy by it is dx that is equal to, here u equal to cos x, v equal to x power 3. Therefore what is that? It is v square. What is v? X power it is 3 is called v, it is whole square. Now it is numerator we have to keep it is v as it is, that is x power 3 keep as it is, x power 3 keep as it is, and differentiate with respect to x as numerator is called cos x. Then minus in the middle, then u can keep as it is. What is u? Numerator is called u, keep it is cos x as it is. Differentiate with respect to denominator it is x power it is 3. U by v square it is x power 3 whole square, and numerator it is v keep as it is. Differentiate the u, the numerator, minus it is u keep as it is cos x, denominator it is called x power, differentiate with respect to x. Now differentiation that is equal to the denominator just multiply x power it is 6, then the x power 3 as it is into differentiation of it is cos become what? Differentiation of cos become sine, minus sine. Differentiation of it is cos it is x that is equal to minus it is sin x. Therefore minus it is sin it is x is called differentiation, minus, then as it is cos it is x. Differentiation of x power is 3 by applying of what? It is formula. A formula it is x power n method. X power n, what is the formula? It is d by it is dx of x power it is n that is equal to n into x power it is n minus 1. Here it is n value equal to 3. Therefore 3 into it is x power it is 3 minus it is 1. And just simplification, denominator as it is x power it is 6. Now minus into plus minus x power it is 3 into sin x, then it is 3 into cos it is x into x power it is 2. Now in this 2 term, x power 2 it is common, we can take commonly as it is x power it is 2. What is remaining term? It is x power 2 out, remaining it is one more x minus x into sin it is x minus it is x power 2, we take it out, remaining term 3 into cos x. 3 into it is cos x are remaining, the second term, by it is x power it is 6, and x power 2 cancel, remaining it is 4, and it is equal to minus x into sin it is x minus 3 into cos x by x power it is 4, that is final simplification. Okay, see the last subdivision. Find f dash of 3 and f dash of it is 5. The function is given f of x equal to modulus of x minus it is 4. Now already we know about the modulus condition. F of it is x that is equal to modulus of x, that is equal to, if it is x is less than 0, modulus of x take the value equal to minus it is 1, minus x. If it is x is greater than or equal to 0, the modulus of x takes the value equal to plus x. Is less than it is 0 minus x, and greater than or equal to 0 it is plus x, it is property of it is modulus. Same one we can apply here. It is f of it is x, it is equal to, it is what? If the condition it is x minus it is 4 is less than it is 0, then we can take minus of it is x minus it is 4. That means just we transfer here x less than it is 4 as value. If the next it is x minus it is 4 is greater than or equal to 0, then it is modulus take positive value, x minus it is 4. That means it is x is greater than or equal to it is 4. X less than it is 4, that means it is, and take x value, it is least value of 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, etc. minus values, or it is get function value equal to minus of it is x minus 4. And x takes the value equal to 4 and more, 4, 5, 6, etc. For that x values, the function value equal to x minus it is 4. And using this it is function value, we have to find out the derivative. First derivative of 3, first derivative of it is 5. First derivative of it is 3 means what? For example, we know f of it is x that is equal to x power it is 4. F dash of x is called first derivative. The f of x differentiate with respect to x, we can write f dash of x. The y is supposed to be, you can call it as y, we can write as what? dy by it is dx. dy by it is dx, or we can say that f dash of x. If you write y, we can write dy by dx. If you write a function f of x form, the derivative is equal to f dash of x, that is equal to x power n, 4 into x power it is 4 minus 1. Therefore, it is function, it is called f of x. The first derivative defined by f dash of it is x, it is equal to f dash of x, that is equal to differentiate the value minus within the bracket of differentiate with respect to x as it is 1, and constant term it is 4, it is become 0, and that is equal to minus 1. If it is function it is x it is less than it is 4, condition is called minus 4. Then another it is value, differentiate this function with respect to x it is 1 minus it is 0, and it is equal to plus it is 1. If the x takes value equal to greater than or equal to 4. And this is called this first derivative value. Now what we want to find out as f dash of it is 3. Put x value equal to 3 in this in the derivative, and when x is equal to 3, therefore f dash of it is 3. And comparing of it is this, it is a derivative value, and 3 it is lies in this interval, x less than it is 4. Therefore 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, all the values are the derivative or is obtained value equal to it is minus 1. Therefore, f dash of 3 that is equal to minus it is 1. Next we want to find out f dash of 5. Therefore, when it is x value that is equal to 5, the first derivative of it is x equal to 5, that is equal to, the 5 means what? X is greater or equal to 4. That it is 5 lies in this interval. X is greater or equal to 4. 4, 5, 6, etc. All the more than half it is 4 positive values are the first derivative value of dash of x equal to plus it is 1. Therefore, f dash of x equal to plus 1, x greater or equal to 4. Therefore, f dash of 5 equal to 1. Therefore, f dash of it is 5 equal to 1, f dash of it is 3 equal to minus it is 1. And that we want to find f dash of 3 and f dash of it is 5. Come to next exercise problem 10.2. Find the derivatives of following with respect to corresponding independent variable. Find the derivative for the given it is function. The 1 to 8 questions are resemble of example model that you try as homework. Now come to the question number, it is 9. The given y equal to sin x by 1 plus cos x. So now we want to differentiate by applying of what method? U by V method. D by it is dx of U by it is V, that is equal to V square into the V into it is du by dx minus it is U into dV by it is dx. By applying of the quotient rule, we have to solve this equation. Here it is U equal to sine and V equal to 1 plus it is cos. Now differentiate with respect to it is x, y as it is dy by it is dx, that is equal to U by V. Therefore denominator equal to V square 1 plus it is cos x whole square 1 plus it is cos x whole square, and numerator it is V. V is called 1 plus it is cos x, keep it as it is. Differentiate with respect to the numerator it is sin x minus keep the numerator U is same and differentiate the V. Therefore what is U? U is called sin x. Differentiate with respect to x, the denominator 1 plus it is cos x. Now that is equal to denominator as it is, the numerator 1 plus cos x as it is. Differentiation of sin become cos x. Differentiation of sin it is cos minus sin x as it is, and into differentiation of within the bracket the constant term 1 differentiation it is 0, and cos differentiation minus sin x, minus it is sin it is x. Now that is equal to denominator as it is, and just multiply this term inside the bracket. Cos into 1 it is cos it is x plus cos into cos square, then minus into plus, minus into minus plus, sin into sin square. Now sin square plus cos square value equal to 1 to cos x plus it is sin square plus cos square equal to 1 by denominator equal to 1 plus cos x whole square. 1 plus cos x whole it is square. So both term it is one term it is cancelled, remaining it is 1 by 1 plus it is cos x remaining, and that is final simplification. Next one, question number 10. Y equal to x by sin x plus it is cos x. Again applied same, it is U by V differentiation. Now differentiate with respect to x, y as it is dy by it is dx, that is equal to what is the denominator? It is U by V. Denominator is called V, right? First it is V square. It is sin it is x plus it is cos x whole square, U square, and keep it is U. So you know the formula, d by it is dx of it is U by it is V, that is equal to denominator V square, and we keep as it is, differentiate U, du by it is dx minus it is U as it is dV by it is dx, it is called it is U by V differential formula. Now first we write as V square as it is. Now first write numerator is V. What is V? Sin it is x plus it is cos x, denominator V, right as it is, and differentiate U as numerator. It is d by it is dx of numerator is called x minus U, right as it is. U is called it is numerator it is x, and then differentiate with respect to x. Denominator is called sin it is x plus it is cos x. That is equal to, now denominator as it is, now numerator, and differentiate these two terms, and first write this term as it is sin x plus it is cos x into differentiation of it is x. Differentiate with respect to x as x, it is 1, then minus x as it is, and differentiation of sin become it is cos x, and differentiation of it is cos become minus it is sin x. Now just simplify the equation, that is equal to denominator as it is, just it is remove the bracket, sin it is x plus it is cos x, then multiply the term it is minus sin x, x into it is cos x, then minus plus it is x into it is sin it is x. Now just combine the term sin x and x it is sin x, and combine the term cos and x cos x, and that is equal to sin it is x plus it is x into sin it is x, plus it is cos it is x, minus it is x it is cos it is x by the same denominator. Now in this two term sin x is common, we can take it as sin x it is commonly, remaining 1 plus it is x, 1 plus x remaining, and then plus it is here taking of these two term cos x commonly, cos x take commonly, remaining of the two term, first term 1 minus second term minus it is x is remaining, by the term it is remaining, it is denominator x, x plus it is cos x, sin x plus it is cos x whole square, that is final simplification. The next question number 11, y equal to tan x minus 1 by secant it is x, again applied same it is rule, dy it is dx of it is u by it is v, that is equal to denominator it is v square, keep it is u as v as it is, differentiate u du by dx minus it is u as it is dv by it is dx, this quotient property, again we applied same in this sum. Now differentiation with respect to x, y as it is dy by dx, that is equal to denominator it is secant x it is whole square v square, again keep it is v, secant it is x, keep as it is, differentiate with respect to x as it is tan it is x minus 1 numerator, minus u keep as it is tan x minus this one u keep as it is, differentiate with respect to x, the denominator secant it is x. Applying of it is u by v method, denominator v square, secant x whole square, and first we can keep secant x as it is, differentiation of numerator tan x minus 1 minus, and keeping of numerator as it is, differentiate denominator term it is secant it is x. Now that is equal to denominator as it is, now secant it is x, right as it is, and differentiation of it is tan x, we know, differentiate with respect to x, tan it is x, and that is equal to secant square it is x. This is called differentiation of it is tan x. Now, therefore differentiation of tan x become it is secant square x minus the constant term differentiation 0, minus it is tan x minus 1, right as it is, and differentiation of it is secant x. Differentiation with respect to x, secant it is x, and it is equal to secant it is x into it is tan x, and it is differentiation. Secant x, differentiation with respect to x, the derivative equal to secant x into tan x. Therefore, secant x equal to secant x into tan x derivative. Now just simplify, multiply the term and multiply these two terms, that is equal to secant x into secant square x, secant power 3x, then minus, multiply these two terms, multiply within the bracket tan x into tan x, tan square x into secant square secant x, and minus into minus plus secant x into tan x. Therefore it is tan square x into secant it is x, and then minus into minus plus, then multiply this term, it is secant it is x into it is tan x as it is, by the same it is denominator. Now these two terms we have it is secant x possible, take commonly, therefore that is equal to secant it is x, take first two term, the remaining in the first term it is secant square it is x, minus second term remaining it is tan square x, then remaining plus it is secant it is x into tan x remaining in the numerator, by same it is denominator. Now we know secant square x minus tan square value is equal to 1. Secant square it is theta minus it is tan square it is theta, that is equal to 1. Therefore this bracket value become 1, that is equal to secant x into 1 plus it is secant x into it is tan x, by it is same it is denominator, that is equal to secant x plus it is secant it is x into it is tan x, by it is same denominator. Now again we have to take secant x commonly, secant it is x take commonly, first term 1 remaining, second term tan x is remaining, by same term. Same it is term, what is the denominator? It is 1 plus secant square is denominator. Therefore secant it is x, it is whole square is remaining. Therefore, 1 secant x cancel. The remaining term that is equal to 1 plus it is tan it is x by it is secant it is x remaining. Now what we want to do, convert the tan x as sin by cos and secant x as 1 by it is cos. 1 plus sin it is x by it is cos it is x by 1 by it is cos x as a secant x. Tan x, right, sin by cos, secant x 1 by cos. That is equal to, take common denominator, is multiply the term cos x plus it is sin it is x by denominator equal to cos it is x by 1 by it is cos x as it is. Both the denominator are same term, both are cancelled. The remaining it is cos x plus it is sin x. That is final simplification.